حي على الفلاح.
My brothers and sisters, we have obligations unto Allah over and above salah, over and above zakah. Sometimes a bad habit is that wherein you delay that which Allah has made obligatory upon you. Many of us, myself included, we need to work on that. The time of salah comes, cut out everything and fulfill your salah. To delay is also a bad habit. If you said to yourself, okay, there is still time for salah, I will read it just now. If that happens once or twice in your life, it may be reasonable. You might have had something important to do. But if it happens every day, for a lot of the salahs, you have a bad habit. You need to make sure you work on it. If every day you are looking at the ending of the time of the salah and not the beginning of it, you have a bad habit. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us. I promise you one thing, and that is a promise from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you come close to Allah a handspan, He will come close to you an entire foot. And if you come close to Allah walking, He will come close to you rushing. So if you want to get close to Allah, start getting closer to Him. If you want Him to get closer to you, get closer to Him, and you will find that Allah will have mercy on you in all your aspects of life. Not that you will be given the millions and the billions, but you will be granted contentment by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.